Everybody, Harry Bosch of the Technical Trader at techtrader.com. It is Thursday the 11th, and these are the charts of the day. Well, I'm going to give you, in addition to the swings, which I'll do tomorrow, I'm going to give you a long list of some of the better day trades. There's a lot of stocks popping, and I don't want to miss out on some of these patterns. I want you to see them. I will do the swings either tomorrow or over the weekend along with the webinar. But for now, let's look at ACVA, which had a beautiful base after a long decline. There's a stock that went from 36 all the way down to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. A multi-month base, a breakout, retest, wedge, breakout, flag. Another breakout, a little wedge. Today, explosive move, 1393 to 1704. Finished 1393 up, 1645 up 279, more than 20% gain. Target now 19.5 to 22.5. APP broke out of a base as well with a breakaway gap today. Very nice. I'm looking at the resistance on this one where we closed, and above that, 28.5 is your next target. ARCT, beautiful base breakout of flag. I showed you that over the weekend. While the last 7 days in a row, the stock has been up, coming out off the support at 25, coming out of the flag, and running up to today's high at 33.80. So almost 9 points just in a week and a half. Next target 38 at 47. Arlo with a big pop of wedge and another rising channel. Today, after hours earnings report, it popped and ran all the way up to 8 and backed off a little bit, but that was my target zone. The next target has to be up around 9 and 11. Bluebird, inverse head and shoulder breakout retest, spike up, and then a long 2-month consolidating falling channel. Strong earnings report up to the close. This one popped sharply, 1865 to 22.5. Currently 2173 after hours in. Looks like it could extend. Target 25 and 30. CPA popped as well. Came through a triple top consolidation and ran right to the top of the channel, up 10 points today. 10% is not a cheap stock. South American Airlines looks like it's been one of the more profitable airlines in the world right now. CRSR with a beautiful base, and today breaking up through the neckline of that base could extend into the low and mid 20s. DMRC also breaking out of the base with a breakaway gap. Run through the declining top sign, 22 to 27.47, finishing 27.04 up 712, 36%. Extension target 33, and then we're looking at 40. EVLV coming out of a base as well. This is a 1-year base. This last few days exploded or surged from 336 to 524. The current price 512. With a good volume, this is one of the bigger volumes, and it's on a breakout day. Your extension target, probably around, well, if we can get through here, which is resistance, we're looking at 6 3/4, 7.5. Flex broke out of a declining top sign and a large pullback falling channel. After holding their support right there. Today's pop took it 21 to 23.21. Currently 22.80 up 166 at 7.8% gain. At this point, I'm looking for a retest of the highs up in around 25 range as your next target. Joby, well, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders forming. In the last couple of weeks, it's come off the shoulder line at about 372. Today, finishing at 476 up 28 cents for 6% gain. What I'm really looking for is for this to get to 5, and I'm looking for 5.5, 6, and 7. LI popped on strong earnings yesterday, followed through today. Right now, looking like it's $32, $33, and then 36 as targets. MAXN also had a breakaway gap and a pop to a new multi-year high, and they coming out of a large basing pattern. Now looking for 43. MGNI popped out of a 2-month lateral tight base with a breakaway gap, finishing up 244, 26%. Near resistance, but the next target is 14. Nano-X, one of our favorites and one of the better swings all year, popped, exploded, pulled back. We put a swing on it in the 9s. It's trading over 20 after hours at 20.35. Fantastic move at meeting all my swing targets. Next target, 28. Travelzoo coming out of a base, got the resistance and backed off and blew through it. The next target, 10.10 1/4 at 11.5. And finally, UIS, which is the current swing, backed off resistance, came on again the last couple of sessions. Today up 6.25%, but let's get this one to 440. Maybe on your way to 5 and 6 as targets. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at techtrader.com. Once again, if you're looking for the swing trades, I'll be putting one out tomorrow. Good night, everybody.